Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk drum brake kit used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Open the brake fluid reservoir. Loosen the rear wheel studs. Lift the rear of your vehicle. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial raising a vehicle safely before carrying out this step. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. To change the rear drum brakes on your vehicle, you will have to remove the wheels to gain full access. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. You can now see the drum brakes on your car. Before starting, release the handbrake, otherwise the operation will be impossible. Using a hammer and a chisel, remove the rear hub nut cover. With an iron bar and a 36mm socket, unscrew the nut on the hub, then remove it. Then remove the drum. You can now access the brake mechanism. Now you have to remove the mounting system of the shoes. Using pliers while holding on the rod from behind, unclip the hold-down parts that hold the shoes, pressing on the springs and turning a quarter turn to release them. With a flathead screwdriver, remove the handbrake cable from its catch. Remove the mechanism. You now need to clean the inner side with a wire brush and brake cleaner in order to remove the brake dust left over from natural wear of the brake shoes. Once cleaned and dried, grease the support surfaces from the linings with copper grease.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. If you have a pre-assembled kit, you will only have to put the old linings in place. Position the linings, starting by installing them in the bottom stop, then on the brake cylinder. Once securely in place, reassemble the shoe holding system with the spring rods and hold-down parts supplied in the kit. Finish by reattaching the brake cable using handbrake cable pliers. Before refitting the drum, clean and very lightly grease the wheel hub. Clean the drum with brake cleaner and paper towels. You can now close the work area by putting the drum back on. Reinstall the rear hub nut. Then screw it back on. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Refit the hub nut cover. Once this operation has been completed, you need to pump several times to activate the automatic drum brake adjuster. Under no circumstances should this part be manipulated with a screwdriver, as it works by itself. You may hear adjustment clicking noises when pumping the brake pedal. Before starting your car, don't forget to screw the brake fluid stopper back in. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your car back on the ground and block the wheels securely. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.